This is a new syllabus 2026-2027 Introduction to Euclid Geometry Chapter 4. This is the history of geometry. The word geometry comes from the Greek word geo. Geo means the earth and metry means to measure. Various ancient civilizations like Egypt, Babylonia, China also contributed the development in geometry. Then next portion. Around 300 BC, Euclid, who is known as the father of geometry, he contributed so many books together called Elements. It divided into 13 chapters and each chapter was called a book. In India, geometry developed for religions, rituals and scientific purpose. Indian mathematicians such as Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta explained more about geometry, trigonometry and mensuration. Then in Greece, Thales and Euclid. Then Pythagoras. He is known for the theorem relating the sides of a right triangle. Archimedes. They uses it for the geometric construction. Then they used Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of two other sides. Diameter of a circle is to be constructed so that area of a circle is equal to the area of a square with a side of length 3.16 times the length of the side of a square. Then construction steps. Construction of a right angle. We know that all the angles is 90 degree. If you consider a point A, the measure of the angle will be 90 degree, and for all angles the measure will be 90 degree. Construction of a right angle using Pythagoras theorem. Next one, it is exercise 4.1. If the diagonal of a square is 14 root 2, find the side length. Then Euclid definition, axioms and postulates that already been studied in previous year book. Then next one, it is statement, a sentence which can be judged to be true or false but not both. We can say whether it is correct or false. Then axioms or postulate. Axioms are the basic accepted facts which are taken for granted without proof. Theorem means there is a proof for that. Sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. That are all theorem. Then definition for point, line, straight line, surface, edges. We studied axiom 1, 2, 3 and 4 that things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another when equals are added to equals. If you add 6, if 6 is equal to 6 and if you add both sides 2, then you will get 8 equal to 8. If equals are separated from equals, then the remainder are equal. Then things which are coincide to one another are equal to one another. And also we know that whole is greater than a part. Apple's കഷ്ണാണോ ആപ്പിളാണോ വലിയതാണോ ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ apple will be the larger. That's why whole is greater than the part. പിന്നെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സാധനത്തിന്റെ double of thing will be equal to one another. half of the same thing will be equal to one another. പിന്നെ സ്ട്രേറ്റ് ലൈൻ നമുക്ക് ഏതൊരു പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഏതൊരു പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് വരയ്ക്കാം. പക്ഷെ രണ്ട് ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ് വരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വി ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ ഓൺലി വൺ ലൈൻ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂണിക് ലൈൻ ദാറ്റ് പാസസ് ത്രൂ ദം. പിന്നെ ടെർമിനേറ്റഡ് ലൈൻ വി ക്യാൻ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ഇൻഡെഫിനിറ്റ്ലി ഓൺ ബോത്ത് ദ sides. The circle can be drawn with any center and with any radius. Every line L, and for every point P not on line L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. The next one, it is solved examples. What are postulate? What is an axiom? What is the difference between axioms and postulates? Then find out the point of intersection, rays, lines. So that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Then what do you mean by parallel lines? Perpendicular line, line segment, radius of a circle, square. Next is exercise 4.2. These are some questions. State whether it is true or false. Then next set it is answer the following questions. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Multiple choice questions. How many dimensions does a point have? Then assertion, reason questions. AC is equal to AB plus BC. And competency focused questions. then next fifth chapter is lines and angles that I will explain yesterday. Thank you.